Hello friends, this is Sana Rahman. In this video, I will show you how to program the analog input and output of Allen Bradley Micrologix 1200 series PLC using software RS Logix 500. After watching this video, you will be able to control the output voltage from 0 to 20 milliampere analog input. Furthermore, you will also be able to control the 16 digital outputs from 4 to 20 milliampere analog input. The operating sequence is mentioned in the screen. Here we have used two analog outputs. One is to show 0 to 10 volt DC, while other is the half of it, means 0 to 5 volt DC. The 16 digital outputs are also programmed to operate after every milliampere change in the input. The first output operate at 5 milliampere, while the rest are turned on sequentially after every 1 milliampere. The software used for this purpose is RS Logix 500 and RS Linx Classics. The hardware used is Micrologix 1200 series PLC, analog input-output module, analog input module, digital output module, Seneca TES4 multimeter and signal generator, clamp multimeter Tolson, clamp multimeter Unity, communication cable to program the PLC. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel as it is necessary to maintain the operation of the channel. Let's start by opening RS Linx Classic software for the communication purpose. First, you need to check the COM port in which your communication cable is connected. Here COM7 is used. So click on configure driver and select RS23 through DF1 devices. Here select the COM7 and click on auto configure to configure is automatically. The driver is now configured. Now open the RS Logix 500 software. Here I am using Micrologix 1200 series PLC. Rename the processor name and select the driver as ABDF1. Now first click on the IO configuration and read the IO configuration automatically. I am using 3 modules and click on the advanced configuration to select the channel configuration of inputs and outputs. Here I am using channel 2 as analog input current 4 to 20 milliampere. Now starts the program. First configure the output 1. This is the move instruction which move the data available at source to destination. In I2.do, I have connected the 4 to 20 milliampere signal generator. Whereas the voltage meter is connected at output 1. Similarly, I am dividing the input 4 to 20 milliampere by 2 so that the voltage value will also be reduced from 0 to 10 to 0 to 5 volt. You can perform every type of scaling function, multiplication or division, whatever you need. Now add greater than or equal to function. And assign input 2.2 at source A. Now copy this function and paste in the all available ring. Now assign output. This output activate when the signal generator reaches 5 milliampere current. Similarly, configure all the remaining outputs to indicate the milliampere current from 5 milliampere to 20 milliampere. Now save the program. And compile. The error is because we have not given source B any value. Since I already measured the value of my signal generator 4 to 20 milliampere, whenever I give 5 milliampere, then the value is 7780. From the same calculation, I have checked all the remaining value, and now I am assigning the same value in the source B input. The input resolution is 15-bit, so 2 to the power 15 gives you around 32,000. That's why the maximum value is around 31 to 32,000. Now save the program file, verify and compile. Verification has completed, no error found. Now download the program in your PLC Micrologix 1200. And go online. Now see the accumulated value in move instruction. After every milliampere raise in the input, the value changes. The maximum value at 20 milliampere input is 31,000 around. Now to monitor all digital outputs in one page, you need to use data monitor table and write down all the outputs here. Now I am increasing the current value from 0 milliampere. You can see the accumulated value in division instruction. As the value increased, the output 0 enabled, and then 1, and then so on. Here you can see the meters, and the generator is connected with Micrologix PLC. I am using Seneca as source of 0 to 20 milliampere. Note that at 5 milliampere the output 0 is high. Here you can see. This is 3.0. As you increase to 6, the 3.1 is high. The 2 multimeter is connected to voltage output 1 and 2. At maximum 20 milliampere, one of the meters shows 10 volt while the other is 5 volt, and all 16 digital outputs are high. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, as it is necessary to maintain the operation of the channel.